Hi friends, welcome back to Maldivian food YouTube channel. Today I am going to share chicken kabsa recipe. This recipe is specially for my sister-in-law. So let's start. For this recipe I am going to use 3 cup rice. This is basmati rice. Wash it and keep it aside. 1500 gram chicken. 2 onion, ginger round about 1 inch and 4 garlic cloves. Chop them. 3 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon curry powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder. 2 tomato, 1 capsicum, 2 tablespoon tomato paste. Half teaspoon black pepper powder, round about 2 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. Oil round about 2 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon 2 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon butter. Add bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, garlic, cloves. Mix it. Add onion and again mix it. Now leave it till it is brown. Now at this point add chicken. Mix it. Add all the spices. I mixed it and adding it little by little so that I can cover every piece. Okay, mix. Add capsicum, tomato, lemon. You can use capsicum or the pepper. I'm using capsicum. This is just 2 lemon piece and add 3 cup water, 2 tablespoon tomato paste. Mix it. Cook it until boiling point. Remove all the chicken. This will go to oven now. Add rice. This is 3 cup water, 3 cup rice. Add rice and cover it. Add rice and mix it and cover it. Let it cook. It is cooked. See, nicely cooked. Yeah. Remove it. And now I will prepare the chicken. Now time to prepare chicken. This is garam masala, just little bit, and oil. Just grease them nicely and it will go to oven like this. Now time to prepare chutney. This is chopped onion, chopped chili, and chopped tomato. Add black pepper, that is half teaspoon. You can add more or less. Salt to taste and one yogurt. Mix them well. That is ready. Mix it well, like this. See, this is ready. Completely ready, see? Yummy. Looks yummy. Rice is ready, chutney is ready, chicken is ready. Now time to eat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's for now. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye bye.